Hello, my name is Jan Ainali.
My name is Albin Larsson.
This presentation you can follow along online on bit.ly/Wikidata Civic Tech, and there's lots of useful links in it.
And as that URL indicated, we're here to talk about Wikidata and how you can use it in your Civic Tech project.
But what is Wikidata?
Wikidata is a sister project to Wikipedia, which among other things means that anyone can edit it.
And unlike Wikipedia, this is for structured data.
And all that structured data is licensed under CC0, so anyone can reuse it.
Similarly to Wikipedia, it's global, but very differently. Instead of having very many language versions, this is one multilingual project.
Here are some examples of Civic Tech data found in Wikidata, and for each of these examples, there is a small link below it on which you can click to see the example yourself, or change it, or download the data behind it.
So these red dots, they represent a municipality in Sweden who has citizens initiatives that you can fill in online.
And here you see the gender balance of members of the Irish Parliament. As with any of these examples, you can switch out the parliament to see how it differs from another parliament.
This little nest of a graph is the co-authorship of one Swedish parliamentarian. Each of the lines represent a document that they co-authored with one of the other bubbles. The red bubbles are women, the blue bubbles are men, and you can kind of see the different mandate periods to the left and right.
And here you can see who was the UK Prime Minister when each of the English Premier League / First Division title winners last won the title.
So if you want to get started with Wikidata, which we think that you should, you can just go to wikidata.org. And to really get into it, there's some really nice guided tours. And all the examples that we showed before, they are made through the query service, and you'll find that on query.wikidata.org. It has a nice query builder to get you started, and a tutorial that helps you learn the specific things about Wikidata and Sparkle.
And if you want to dig deeper, Wikidata got a long list of APIs and other ways you can access the data, like data dumps. And if you beyond that got questions, you can ask them directly on Wikidata, but you can also head over to the Wikidata Telegram group, where there's always someone there to answer your questions.
So let's take a look how you can use this in the real world. This is the Govdirectory. It's a Civic Tech project powered by Wikidata, and it aims to show all the governments in the world and all the online presences that they have in a very user-friendly way.
This is the mission statement for Govdirectory. We will enable a community-powered directory where the online presence of every public organization is easily findable, queryable, and trustworthy.
This is an example page for one of the agencies that you can find there. This is Statistics Sweden, and in the top you see different metadata about it. All of the data comes from Wikidata and can, of course, be fact-checked there with references or edited if you can see any errors. In the middle, you see the platforms and accounts that Wikidata know for now.
This project is connected to the Sustainable Development Goals, and in particular a subset of Goal 16, ensure responsive, inclusive, participatory, and representative decision-making at all levels.
So you can already go to govdirectory.org to see what we have in there right now. But we're, of course, building this as we speak, and you can help us. The GitHub directory has a README to get you started, and we have tried to do a nice contributing file so that you know where our goals are. And if you want to add a new country, there's even a specific guide for that.
And if you want to check out all the work the Wikidata community does by adding new countries, new data, and so on, you can head over to Wikipert Govdirectory over at Wikidata.
And we'll be around for if you want to ask questions, or you can find us online at these URLs. And I think that was all for us for now. Thank you.
Thank you very much.